What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I am super excited because we are finally gonna go full throttle in Astro. It's been like a month since we picked up this car, and if you forgot to watch that video or didn't watch it, I put a link to taking delivery up here for you to check it out. But I've been breaking in the car for about 1,000 miles now, and today we are gonna cross the 1,000-mile mark together, and we're gonna go full throttle in the car and see how it performs. I'm super excited. I've been just babying this thing for 1,000 miles. I've taken it up to like 5,000 RPMs a few times, but nowhere near full throttle. So today we're gonna do that. And we're also gonna kind of answer a question. Is there a break-in procedure on these 2024 Mustangs, or can you just go full throttle right out of the gate and not worry about a thing? That's what I wanna talk about in today's video. But before we get into all of that, I do wanna just mention that we have brand new shirt designs up on my merch store, guys. If you guys picked up a 2024 Mustang yourself and you guys wanna rep that new S650 Mustang, you guys gotta check out the merch shop here. We got S650 Mustang t-shirt designs up, and I'm super excited for that one. I'm also running a little bit of a promotion here, guys. On November 1st through the 5th, we're running 20% off. So make sure you guys go head over to the merch store here, get yourself a t-shirt for 20% off, save yourself a little bit of money, and then you can rep your new 2024 Mustang. I got some on order myself. I'm gonna be repping them in the next few videos, so guys, feel free to check that out. But let's get on to talking about the break-in procedure. All right, so the break-in procedure for the 2024 Mustang. This is a little controversial here, guys, but we're gonna talk about what people are doing, what Ford says to do, and then let you guys decide what you want to do with your new 2024 Mustang. By now, I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen, other YouTubers, they pick them up off the lots, you go crazy, straight to the drag strip, full throttle runs right away, and then you see probably some of the other guys like myself who has kind of babied the car, or at least did some sort of break-in procedure for 1,000 miles or 500 miles. So what is the actual right thing to do? And that's a really hard thing to say here, guys, because honestly, Ford is not super specific on what they want to see as far as a break-in procedure. If you go to your Ford manual, which I'm pulling out my phone here now, guys, because there's no real physical manual you get with these. You get like a little quick start guide. It's all on the Ford Pass app. All they say is to kind of be easy on the car for 1,000 miles. Vary your speed, don't hold a consistent speed for a long period of time, vary the RPMs. So they really don't say, hey, don't go full throttle on this thing for 1,000 miles. Don't take it above a certain RPM. They don't say any of that. Also, if there was a specific break-in period for these cars, they would be factory limited, like in the car itself. Like the revs would be limited to like 5,000 RPMs or something, and after 500 miles, it would unlock the rest of the RPM band. That's just not the case in these cars. You can rev it to the full like 73 or 7,500 RPMs and not have a real problem. So there's that. However, I decided to go the route personally of babying the car for 1,000 miles and just kind of working everything in, because these are new engines, guys, and they will consume a little bit of oil for, a few thousand miles. It actually does say in the Ford manual, up to 3,000 miles, this engine can consume some oil. So for me personally, I felt more comfortable just, taking it easy on the car for about 1,000 miles here, and just ensuring that, hey, you know what, I did kind of my part as of not beating the crap out of it from day one. However, there's a lot of guys out there that pick up the car, they go crazy with it right away, full throttle, no care in the world, and I'm sure things will work out all right for them as well. But just for me, that's what I decided to do. So in this one, we're gonna go full throttle in this thing. We're at like 985 miles. So we're gonna strap the camera on here, go for a drive, have some fun with this, and see what this 4th gen Coyote is really about. So I'll meet you guys in the car. All right, guys, we are in the car, and we are at about 986 miles on the car right now. Let me see if I can give you a little glimpse of that. There you go. I think you can see it there. 987 now. We are about to complete this break-in for 1,000 miles of kind of taking it easy on the car. We're We're gonna do some full throttle runs in just a few minutes. As soon as we hit 1,000 miles, we will catch back up with you in just a second when we are closer to 1,000 miles. There it is. Almost, guys. 1,000 miles. Woo, guys. Here we go, baby. Now we can start having some fun. Don't say anything in the comments. I got the anti-lane swerving, technology on here, guys, with the phone, and don't drive like this, but I had to document this. Well, we have pulled off the highway here, and I think for our first full throttle run in the car, I'm gonna give you guys this perspective here, but then I'm gonna strap the camera on to my head. I'm gonna give you that real POV shot. We're gonna test out some different modes in the car and just see how they feel, try to give you guys that reaction. Sometimes there's a cop that sits down here, so let me just scope it out real quick. Nope, not here. That means we can have just a little bit of fun. For this one, we're gonna keep it pretty easy here. I'm gonna keep it in drive, no manual shifting here, and then, or paddle shifting, and I'm gonna keep it normal mode. I just wanna test that one out first. So let's see, I'm going like 30 miles an hour, and let's just roll onto it here. First full throttle, here we go. Full throttle, woo! Oh my God. Nice, oh my God. Yeah, that got up to 45 miles an hour pretty quick. Obviously in Mexico here. All right, that was the roll on. It wasn't too crazy, but she just kept on pulling. Oh my God. All right, now we got to turn it around here, guys. I'm going to strap you on to the POV driving mode here, and you guys are going to get to see what it actually looks like. We'll go through some of the other modes and have some fun. All right, guys, this is the first POV drive here. Hopefully you guys can see everything, or, enough anyway. This is just a really weird setup. I don't know if you can see me in the mirror, like right there. So it feels like it's gonna fall off my head, but hopefully it doesn't. So let's do this. And again, I don't know if you can see the screen or not, but let's go into sport mode here. I'm gonna keep it in just like automatic shifting for this one. And then we're gonna get to see how this actually does. So I do like driving around in sport mode a lot more than, honestly, even track, to be honest. I think it's just quicker shifting even in sport. So here we go. We'll go to where it straightens out a little bit here, and then we'll do like a 20 roll on. I'm just gonna do some rolls for now here just to get kind of used to everything. Maybe a 30 roll. Yeah, that's fine. All right, ready? Let's roll into it. And go. Jeez. Oh my God. Woo, on the brakes. That's pretty sick. Oh my God, guys. I've been waiting to do this 1,000 miles, obviously, guys, and I am super excited to be able to try this out. So, all right, sport definitely felt a little bit more aggressive. We only did full throttle for a little bit here, so I think we'll turn it around one more time. We'll see what track is like. Now, this one disables some variant of traction control, so there's still traction control on, I believe. Advanced track is not disabled, but some of it is disabled. So let's see, we'll do like a 36 roll on. Roll on. Woo-hoo! Oh my God, guys. Oh, look at that upshift, holy shit. Look at that, she's just holding gears, back on the gas. Oh my God, we need an exhaust on this immediately. Wow, oh my God, okay. So now that we have that, I'm gonna turn around one more time, guys. And sorry, a little U-turn here. This is one of those do as I say, not as I do moments. and I'm gonna put it in manual mode. You can see, maybe you can see we're in 3rd gear. Let's go to 2nd gear, and let's just go full throttle. Oh yeah! Oh my God. Jesus. Wow. Oh my God, guys. This is so cool. Ah, all right. Let's do another one. We'll end up going to this light. We'll take a little left here, get on it one more time, and I think I'll put it back in sport mode. You guys like these POV style videos? I'll try to make this a better setup for you guys. 4th, 3rd. Let's just see what it does if I don't shift. Going all the way down. Okay, all right, and it slams itself into 1st, so maybe you do wanna walk it down. Oh, it's green. All right, let's go here. 2nd gear. And we're straight. Go, baby, go. Sipped a little early. Oh my God. Yeah. We could definitely get in some trouble here, guys, if we're not careful. But oh my God, this is super fun. Ooh yeah. 35. We're doing 36. Oh my God. Let's just see. So how far? So 3rd gear, 4th gear. Oh yeah, we're 3rd gear, okay. See, 2nd gear, how high are we? 4,500 RPM? Oh yeah! She does make a ton of power up here. Oh my God, that's so fun. Oh my God. Woo! I don't like normally swearing in my videos, so I'm gonna stop that, but all right. Back to drive mode, guys. Holy crap, that was fun. I hope this footage turned out somewhat okay. It's just so different from the EcoBoost because and my seatbelt's locked up. It's so different from the EcoBoost because EcoBoost had all of its torque down low and like nothing up top. Not as much, I shouldn't say nothing, but not as much on the stock turbo. But in the GT, yeah, you don't have much torque on the bottom end, but on the top, it really does. It really does scream. I hope that footage kind of turned out okay for you and you could see it. Again, if you like that style, that POV style of driving in the car like that, I'm happy to do more of it. I just get a better setup for it and we'll make it happen. But wow, I'm super impressed. I'm gonna have fun for the rest of the day in this thing. Gonna have to go get gas as well. But man, it is really about the smiles per gallon in this thing, not the miles per gallon, that's for sure. So thank you so much, guys, for coming with me and sharing this experience with me. Also, we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, guys. So if you are watching this, you've watched a few of my videos and you enjoy it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and share the video with your friends. Get the video out there. Don't rely on the YouTube robots to, get this video to your friends. And, it's up to us to get it around and whatever. So I appreciate you guys sharing the content, liking the content, and subscribing. Anyways, guys, have a great day. We'll catch you in the next one. We're doing more full throttle runs, some 0 to 60s. I didn't do any of them in this one. We'll do all that in the next video. I'll catch you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.